Hello. So here I'm going to solve some trigonometric equations. Number 2, is x equal 15 degrees a solution of this trigonometric equation? Well, let's put 15 degrees in and see. So wherever there is an x, I'm going to put it into the 15 degrees. And we're asking ourselves, is this a true statement? Cosine of 30 degrees is going to be radical 3 over 2. Sine of 30 degrees is going to be 1/2. Well, we can multiply both sides by 6. So we'll have, if I multiply everything by 6, this will give us radical 3 times radical 3 is 3, plus 6 times 1/2 is 3, and this is equal to 6. Yes. Is alpha equal 2 pi over 3 a solution of this polynomial? Okay, so substitute the alpha with the 2 pi over 3. We are asking ourselves if this is a true statement. So sine of 2 pi over 3 is radical 3 over 2. Plus cosine of 2 pi over 3, this is going to be negative 1/2. And is this equal to radical 3 minus 1? Okay. Here the 2's simplify, here the 2's simplify. So we have radical 3 plus a minus is minus 1, and this is equal to radical 3 minus 1. So yes, they are, since this is asking a question, and yes, these are, since that is also asking a question. Determine all solutions using radian measure. Okay, so what this is, so in radian measure, when theta is pi over 4, sine of pi over 4 is radical 2 over 2. But also this value here, which would be 3 pi over 4. So we have Both of these are true statements. But this says all solutions. And so it's going to be this point right here plus 360 degrees plus 360 degrees plus or 2 pi. So it will be this point plus 2k pi and this point plus 2k pi. So all of the solutions will be what this says is determine all of the solutions. So there are an infinite amount of solutions. Determine all of the solutions using radian measure. So we have theta is equal to pi over 4 plus 2k pi, and pi over 4 equals 3, theta equals pi over 4 plus 2k pi, and theta equals 3 pi over 4 plus 2k pi for all k and z. Z are your integers. Never really could make that bold-faced Z very well. So here we want all of the solutions. Okay, this is the same thing as and again, if we drew the diagram, so we have theta is equal to 5 pi over 4. Let me write it down here. So theta is equal to 5 pi over 4 plus 2k pi, and theta is equal to 7 pi over 4 plus 2k pi for all k and z, for all of your integers. Okay. Cosine of 30 degrees is 1/2. Cosine of negative 30 degrees is 1/2. Want this in radians? Yes. So here, theta is equal to pi over 6 plus 2k pi, and theta is equal to 11 pi over 6 plus 2k pi for all k and z, for all integers of k. Again, what this means is when k is 0, this is a true statement. When k is 1, this is true. When k is 2, this is true. When k is -1, -2, for any integer that k is, this is a true statement. Same thing with this statement here. So to be honest, I knew that this was a familiar one, but had to figure out which one it was. So if we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, this is the short side, this is the long side. Okay, and we have that tangent of 30 degrees is equal to 1 over radical 3, the opposite over adjacent, and when I rationalize the denominator, I get radical 3 over 3. Okay, that it is negative means it will be in this quadrant here and in this quadrant here. This side squared is 3, plus this side squared is 1. It's 4. That makes this hypotenuse 2. Or I can divide everything by 1/2 and make this 1/2 radical 3 over 2. Since I'm dealing with tangent, the hypotenuse does not matter. Tangent repeats itself every pi degrees. So here, theta is equal to so this is 5 pi over 6 in this direction, because the little wedge missing is 1 pi over 6. So theta is 5 pi over 6, and This is tangent, so it repeats every pi radians. And again, this is for all k and z because tangent repeats every pi radians. Let's try another one. So when it is in this form here, we can factor this. So this factors So 2 sine times 1 sine is 2 sine squared. 2 sine minus 1 is minus 2 minus 3 plus 1. So this factors. The zero product property says that the product of two numbers is 0, then the first item is 0 and the second item is 0. So set both of these to 0. Sin x equals positive 1 here. Sin x equals 1/2 at pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. Whereas this number is 30 degrees, this number is 30 degrees. Okay, so we have they want all solutions. Okay. All right, let's factor this. Oh, I'm long on time. Thank you very much. Please go to tutoring.